The SI unit of electric charge is option A volt per ohm, option B ampere per second, option C watt second, option D coulomb. The answer is coulomb. The formula to find the temperature coefficient of resistance of a material is RT equals to R naught minus alpha naught T. Option B, RT equals to R naught into 1 plus alpha naught T. RT equals to R naught plus alpha naught divided by T. RT equals to 1 plus R naught into alpha naught into T. The answer is RT equals to R naught into 1 plus alpha naught T. This is the answer. Which material is having the property of negative temperature coefficient? Option A, manganese. Option B, aluminium. Option C, eureka. Option D, carbon. The answer is carbon. The unit of quantity of electricity is option A ampere per second, option B coulomb, option C mho, option D watt second. The answer is coulomb. In which materials, if the temperature is increased, then the resistance will decrease? Option A, tungsten. Option B, carbon. Option C, nichrome. Option D, manganese. The answer is carbon. Which is the example for negative temperature coefficient substance? Option A, copper. Option B, nichrome. Option C, aluminium. Option D, mica. The answer is mica. What is the commercial unit of electrical energy? Option A, megawatt hour. Option B, kilowatt hour. Option C, watt hour. Option D, watt seconds. The answer is kilowatt hour. The increase in resistance per ohm per degree centigrade rise in temperature is positive temperature coefficient, difference in temperature, linear coefficient, negative temperature coefficient. The answer is positive temperature coefficient. What is the unit of specific resistance? Ohm per centimeter, ohm meter, micro ohm per centimeter, milli ohm per meter square. The answer is ohm meter. According to the Kirchhoff voltage law, the algebraic sum of all IR drops and EMF in any closed loop of a network is always 0, positive, negative, greater than unity. The answer is 0. Ohm's law gives relationship between applied voltage, current and option A constant, option B resistance, option C capacitors, option D inductor. The answer is resistance. Chassis ground is assumed to have dash potential 0, positive, negative, none of these. The answer is 0. Electron volt is the unit of voltage, energy, current, power. The answer is 'energy'. Unit to measure electrical energy is kilovolt ampere, kilowatt, kilowatt hour, reactive power. The answer is kilowatt hour. Which of the following material has the lowest resistivity? Copper, gold, aluminum, silver. The answer is silver. A good conductor is a dash insulator. Good, bad, moderate, metallic. The answer is bad insulator. The unit of specific resistance is ohm meter, ohm meter square, ohm per meter square. The answer is ohm meter. Power transferred by a DC network will be maximum when RL equals to RTH, RL equals to RN, RL equals to RTH equals to RN. Option D, none of these. The answer is RL equals to RTH equals to RN. The domestic installation is connected in series, series parallel, parallel series, parallel. The answer is parallel. The peak factor of the sinusoidally varying quantity is 1.732, 1.414, 1.11, 0.707. The answer is 1.414. The standard power supply frequency in our country is 25 Hz, 50 Hz, 60 Hz, 100 Hz. The answer is 50 Hz. The power formula for a three-phase circuit is Option A 3 into voltage into current into cos theta. Option B root 3 into VLIL cos theta. Option C 3 into V phase into I phase. Option D root 3 into voltage into current. The answer is root 3 into VL into IL into cos theta. One of the two wattmeters connected to measure the power in a balanced three-phase load will indicates 0 when load power factor is 0, unity, 0.5, none of these. The answer is 0.5. Which of the following is not a main part of rivet? Head, shank, point, thread. The answer is 'thread'. Two wattmeters are connected. Two wattmeters are used to measure the power in a three-phase balanced system. What is the power factor of the load when one wattmeter reads twice the other? 0, 0.5, 0.866, 1. The answer is 0.866. A rivet is specified as 20 mm rivet. What does it mean? None of the mentioned. Shank dia 20 mm, head dia 20 mm, both head and shank dia 20 mm. The answer is shank dia 20 mm. The amount by which the two rods to be joined or drawn together is called a draw, portray, lead, pitch. The answer is draw. Which one is cheaper, punching or drilling? Punching, drilling, same, none of these. The answer is punching. Which of the following insulation is used in a cable? Varnished cambric, rubber, paper, any of these? The answer is any of these. Empire tape is a varnished cambric, vulcanized rubber, impregnated paper, none of these. The answer is varnished cambric. Pressure cables are generally not used beyond 11 kV, 66 kV, 132 kV, 33 kV. The answer is 66 kV. Copper as conductance for cable is used as option A annealed, option B hardness and temperature, option C hard drawn, option D alloy with chromium. The answer is annulled. The breakdown voltage of a cable depends on pressure of moisture, working temperature, time of application of voltage, all of these. The answer is all of these. The surge resistance of cable is 5 ohm, 20 ohm, 100 ohm, 50 ohm. The answer is 50 ohm. Low tension cables are generally used up to 200 volt, 500 volt, 700 volt, 1000 volt. The answer is 1000 volt. Which of the following is bad conductor of electricity? Distilled water, alcohol, salt water, tap water. The answer is distilled water. When current is passed through copper sulfate solution, the copper decomposition takes place on the electrode connected to positive terminal of the battery, negative terminal of the battery, any terminal, none of these. The answer is negative temperature of the negative terminal of the battery. When electric current is passed through the bulb gives light because of electric effect of current, heating effect of current, glowing effect of light, light effect of current. The answer is heating effect of current. The heat generated is calculated using Joule's law is H equals to 0.24 IRT. H equals to 0.24 I square RT. H equals to 0.24 I square R. H equals to 0.24 I square T. The answer is H equals to 0.24 I square RT. Type of wirings depends on location and consumer budget, durability and cost, safety, all of these. The answer is all of these. Dash type of wiring uses insulated cable supported in porcelain plate. Option A metal, option B DVC conduit, option C cleat wiring, option D CTS or RTS. The answer is cleat wiring. Dash wiring is used to draw TRS cable on T-cord. Option A cleat, option B batten, option C PVC, option D all of these. The answer is batten. Link clips are packed in cardboard boxes at the rate of dash link clips per box. Option A 300, option B 100, option C 50, option D 200. The answer is 100. PVC conduits are available on dash meter length. Option A 2, option B 4, option C 3, option D 5. The answer is option B 4. Cold bending could be done by using a spring, hacksaw frame, hand, knee. The answer is spring. How many 15 ampere socket outlets are needed in kitchen? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The answer is option B 2. The resistance offered between the two opposite faces of a meter cube or centimeter cube of the material is called as internal resistance, specific resistance, laws of resistance, equivalent resistance. The answer is specific resistance. Electric supply for electroplating should be low AC voltage, low frequency AC voltage, DC voltage, any of above. The answer is DC voltage. Three elements having conductance G1, G2 and G3 are connected in parallel. Their combined conductance will be option A G1 plus G2 plus G3 minus 1, option B G1 plus G2 plus G3, option C 1 by G1 plus 1 by G2 plus 1 by G3, option D 1 by G1 plus 1 by G2 plus 1 by G3 minus 1. The answer is option B G1 plus G2 plus G3. In case of DC shunt motor, under no load condition, the air gap flux option A keeps varying, option B increases, option C remains constant, option D decreases. The answer is remains constant.